This video comes to us today from our friends at Lucas Oil Speedway in Wheatland, Missouri. Our friends down there are cleaning the concession area ceiling tiles and the tracks for them using our Super Clean Aerosol products. Check this out.
Just that fast.
Yeah, spray it on there pretty well. Wipe it off.
Just that fast. These results are amazing, but not only did it work on those ceiling tiles and the tracks, they also decided to try it on the walls to remove the grease and grime that collects in any kitchen area. Now that's super clean. Thanks to the folks at Lucas Oil Speedway for sharing their success story with us. For more ideas on how to make all your cleaning super easy and super fast, visit us at superclean.com.